And here's the beauty of this next act. We, in Koreatown, we just want to be inclusive and just want all these different cultures to be a part of this beautiful neighborhood and community. So without further ado, I want to introduce the Tibetan GORSHEY Lovers Club. So my Tibetan's not that great, but I just want to say, 1 minute, Tashi delek and tuchi che tuchi nan. Right? Tuchinan means thank you in Tibetan, and I knew that from years back. So I just want to give a little quick shout out and introduction. So a vibrant community of all ages coming together each Wednesday to celebrate and preserve Tibetan culture through their circle dance. Known as GORSHEY, this traditional dance uplifts the Tibetan spirit worldwide, with Toronto being a notable hub for it. So please, once again, join me in welcoming the Tibetan Lovers Club!